If you've been trying to get free stuff from Temu, you've probably noticed something. Some people seem to unlock rewards easily, while others try the same thing and nothing happens. That's because most people approach the Temu free gift system the wrong way. They rely on random codes or outdated methods. But there's actually a smarter strategy that makes the process much easier. Before we get into it, I've placed the current working Temu free gift code right here on screen. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes that are still active. Now let's talk about the smart strategy. Step 1. Start with the promotion, not the app. The first mistake most users make is opening the Temu app and browsing normally. They look for the free gift section somewhere inside the app. But by doing that, Temu treats the session like regular shopping. Instead, start by activating the free gift promotion through the link in the description. This signals Temu that you're entering through a reward event. Once that happens, the free gift interface becomes available. Step 2. Enter the free gift code after activation. Open Temu and enter the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the current promotion cycle. Once the code is applied, the reward event should appear. This is where Temu shows the available items and the steps needed to unlock them. Step 3. Follow the event tasks. Temu usually asks you to complete a few simple interactions inside the promotion. For example, browsing certain product categories, checking special deals, interacting with the event page. These steps help unlock the reward system tied to the promotion. Step 4. Claim the reward. Once the required steps are completed, the selected item becomes eligible to claim. Temu then allows you to proceed with the order for that item. Just keep in mind that the available rewards can change depending on the current promotion. Why this strategy works better? The reason this strategy works is because you're entering directly through the promotion flow, not trying to trigger it randomly inside the app. When Temu recognizes the promotional entry, it loads the event and connects your account to the reward system. That's why some users see the free gift option immediately, while others never do. Final tip: Temu frequently updates their promotions and rotates codes. That's why I keep the latest working codes in the description, so you can always try the most recent ones. If this strategy helped you unlock a free item, comment what you got. I always like seeing what people manage to claim.